In this video, I meet a vendor who dropped some wise advice and then offered me a crazy deal on a PSA 10 Aquapolis Tyranitar.
We're out here in Florida for HobbyCon, and day one ended with some serious heat. Vintage, Japanese, solid sales, and even a coin flip with Jarchomp Collectibles as a spectator.
And just when we're about to pack up, someone pulls out cards I didn't even know existed, including one that's gone for $60,000 in a PSA 10. This one had a bit of everything, so sit back, relax, and...
GOATED PULLZ! While I was gone, my fiance sold Captain Pikachu for $180. W Colombian fiance. What's up, boss?
I heard you like Sky Ridges.
That's Aquapolis.
Aquapolis, same thing, no? E-reader.
It's okay.
E-reader family. I have this, and I put a special price for you.
Holy.
I normally ask anybody else for 25 because they're going up, you know that.
Babe, should I buy this?
Look, Tyranitar. How mainly is Tyranitar?
What do you think of Tyranitar, babe?
Mainly than Tyranitar. Even Charizard is not that mainly.
What do we think? Oh.
I think they say 20, but
20K?
yeah, they, not me. You ask them. But for you, only 50. You know, I wanna sell you something.
Where's the swirl?
Right on his ass.
On the back, right? I see a swirl.
Yeah, you see? See?
It has hollow bleed.
He has one right up his ass, and then if you look at his tongue.
Can I see the slap? Make sure it's not cracked.
Oh.
Okay, it's not cracked, thank God.
All right.
Can you do 10 on this?
Come on.
I think that's fair. That's higher than last comp.
Look, only because it's you, and you know how much I want to do business with you. But let's do 11. Mazali.
He wants 11K for it.
Benny. Only because of Benny. Only because of Benny.
Benny, do you know Benny?
Of course we know Benny.
Really?
Benny. 11K.
I don't think he watches my videos. I don't think Benny likes Pokemon.
Benny, you come to Benny and Moses, you come with Pokemon, they'll do a deal with you.
Really?
Oh yeah. Especially Moses.
Really?
Moses understands. Didn't you see the video with Moses?
When? Recently?
With Paul Logan.
Oh, the illustrator. Logan Paul, yeah.
Paul Logan came and took like a watch or something, or they wanted to do a trade.
My top is 10.5.
Let's do a flip. 10-5, 11. Have something fun.
Okay, I
lost every single coin flip today, last week in Miami. I didn't even win.
Your friend wants this so bad. The vape for
I
it.
sold him one before it went on. Before that,
Holy, what'd you put? Like 4K, 5K?
Yeah.
How long have you been vending?
Not a lot. You know, I really.
Couple years?
Huh?
Couple years? Less? Like how? Did you know about this stuff before you started?
Because I was buying. I was like, I'm buying for a year and a half. I've been collecting. I've been mainly collecting like booster boxes.
Well, like what made you get into it? Like, did your kids like this, or are you just like?
I'm an art dealer.
Art dealer?
Yeah, I'm
okay.
an art dealer.
And these are art in a way.
The art business has been down in the last 2 years. Just investors. We used to have like, investors. We used to have like hedge funds. Everybody was investing in art. Suddenly, boom, it's gone. Like one day.
What kind of art? Just
fine art, photography, everything. And it's like, why? Where everybody's going? Then we realized everybody's going to the trading card. So I said, okay, that's the place to be. I need to diversify
liquid and
myself.
going up.
Right.
You know they sell like the original art too? Like like the cartoon had like the picture that the person drew. You know those go for a lot of money. Check these out.
I never start selling them.
You know Dragon Ball Z, right? You know Dragon Ball Z? I love Dragon Ball Z.
Yeah.
So this is like original like.
There is a market for them.
Oh, there is, and some of them go for crazy markets.
Oh yeah?
Check this guy.
Those are the original.
The original, yes.
How much they go for? I would love
some of them are cheap. Some of them are a few hundred. Like the ones without color, maybe a few hundred. Yeah. Like a really good one, maybe a couple thousand.
It's kind of like
but
the Disney.
But the one that's like colored in and stuff, some of them, like if it's like the perfect scene with his face, like 20K, 30K, 40K. Those are very expensive too. Like if you have original Disney shit, that's wild. You want to flip on this?
Yeah, let's flip.
Let's do 10-4 or 10-6. Or 10-3, 10-7.
the upside for me. 10-5, 11.
I want to be middle point 10-5 on this.
So 10-4, 11.
No, 10-4, 10-6, 10-3, 10-7.
Most likely I'm gonna lose.
We're both gonna lose.
One.
We're both gonna lose. It's gonna be 3K next week.
There is no upside, so I'll do 10-5, Mazalito.
No flip?
No, you're not giving me any upside.
10-4, 10-6. Or 10-3, 10-7.
It's the same as 10-5.
Same middle point.
It's the same as 10-5.
Well, if you wanted to.
There's no upside over
Up to
here.
you.
It's like 10-5, Mazalito.
Okay, let's do it. Your name was
Ilan.
Ilan. All right, we're gonna buy this from Mr. Ilan. Tyranitar, Aquapolis. I love this card for 10,500 cash. And your Instagram is what?
Is TCG Bangers.
Hell yeah.
Ilan Shapar. Mario.
Mario. He like.
Mario guy.
How many Mario Pikachu do you have? Full art.
I had too many and then I sold, and then every time I sell, I have to buy them for more than what I sell.
What's the most you had? For me, I only had 5 maximum. Right now, I have 4.
No, I had the full set plus two, but now we are picking them non-stop. Now we just bought a set, we just bought 2 more, and now we're picking up like another 2 sequential sets.
What's up, boss? You look familiar.
Listening live stories.
Did we do a deal before?
Yeah, you fucking cooked me this morning on Aquapolis.
But before this morning.
Oh no, I make some videos. Some of them go viral, some of them don't.
Okay. So we never met before? Till today?
First time. I watch your
Dope.
show all the time though.
Thank you, bro. Where are you from?
I'm from Colombia.
My fiance's Colombian.
You're Colombian? You're Colombian.
Yeah. What part of Colombia are you from?
Bogotá? Medellín?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm from Cali. La capital de la salsa.
Her friend's from Cali.
I always tell him that we do voice messages to each other. It's so catchy. It's like so fucking catchy. It's awesome.
Oh, thank you. Let me know whatever you're feeling, bro.
Well, I was hoping for your advice on what card.
What's your budget? What price range are you looking for?
Around 1,000, 1,500, 2,000.
Holy. Well, stuff under, basically everything from here to there is cheaper stuff, unless you want raw. But more expensive stuff.
Let's do this Nido King.
Okay.
Whatever you want. And she'll call for me.
Sure.
Come on, my fellow Colombian, do not in this one, please.
Let's do, I don't want to double or nothing because
It's
I
fine,
hate
you're
doing
good.
that.
I'm gonna do 110, which is 150, 160. So you want to do like 100, 200?
I'll do 140 or 180. That's 20 bucks up or down.
That's not exciting, bro.
You just said 150, 160.
No, I said 100, 200. So like 50 up, 50 down. Make me feel something. You already took the 20 for the coin. By the way, I'm undefeated with that coin.
Okay.
Are you been cooking? Yeah, bro. Like.
How about she throws it and you call it?
No. She's gonna call for it. That's the rule. She's from Colombia. I trust her.
Okay, you're gonna call for him.
En
100
español también. Para que si pierdo gano le digo.
heads or tails? Sure, cabeza or how do you say tails?
Sello, caro sello. Caro sello.
Caro or sello?
Cara is heads, sello is tails. Caro sello.
All right, we're gonna climb with our Colombian brother over here for the Nido King, 100 or 200. And my fiance's about to cook me. Call it for him. I got cooked.
Can you give me a shout? Can you give me a little scream? Come on, bro, give me something.
But I lost.
That's fine. It's all love.
GOATED PULLZ. Double or nothing a coin?
Yeah.
Okay, you ready? This is your other son? Hell yeah. Good luck. That's heads, that's tails. Call in the air, okay? Oh my God. Didn't I lose the last one too?
Cards and cardboard.
There you go.
I called you last time.
For the card or was it? What was
For the card.
Damn. I'm getting mega cooked.
What do you have on the Shining Celebi?
I think it would grade like a PSA 7, I think. Right? Something like that. It doesn't look too bad. So full disclosure,
There's still needles right here.
I know it's not graded, just to get you an idea. A PSA 8 is 500 to 570. A PSA 7 is like around 400 to 500. 560, 410, 420, and 360. PSA 6, around 300. So I think around 4 is fair on this. What do you think? I think it's not a bad copy. Let me take a look. Unless it has like a dent or some shit. What's up, buddy? You? Why? And burn money? And this too.
Surface is clean. These guys have a lip on the bottom.
Let me see.
Bottom back.
Oh, this, yeah, bottom edge. Yeah. I paid 10.5 and 7. I'll flip you 250 or 270. Did you want the Shiny Legends pack too?
You can see how much it's worth.
Okay.
You can see how much
What's the Shiny Legend go for? TCG, do you know?
Probably like $80.
That's crazy. I remember when they were like 15 bucks.
Well, the ETB is like $9 now.
I was buying the ETB for 70 bucks. Yeah, it's like 74 bucks.
Okay. Are you gonna be here tomorrow too?
Yeah.
All right. So I'll probably hold it up. I'll get this. This is the flip.
Okay.
Are you cool with Venmo?
I have to go.
You don't have cash? I don't have Venmo. You have Zelle?
Yeah.
Zelle works. All right. All right. Coin flip with Jim in front of Mr. Jarman. 250, 270. Ready? Oh my God. You got it. Yeah, it's tails. Yeah. Oh, 250, buddy. GG's.
Would you be interested in a PSA 9 1996 Alakazam or that?
For that? Or
No.
Or?
To buy.
Sure. PSA what?
9.
Sure.
9 and 9. Wait, is that the right one?
Yeah. Do you want cash?
Correct.
Okay.
Or Bitcoin.
I don't have Bitcoin, unfortunately. Is it down?
Yeah.
I like your
Short
shirt.
term.
Hell yeah. There's 2 listings on this for 250. So I'd value it at like 240, I guess.
Yeah.
And the Dragonite, I think, is around the same.
240.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Should be around 250 market.
I could do. So what's what are you offering?
I could do 80% on these. I'd be at, last comp is 240 on that. I'd put it at 250 because it has a couple comps higher than that.
Right.
400.
This I could do.
Okay.
That I mean, look at how pretty it is.
I don't know.
It is nice.
200 and 200.
I round it up. If you want, we can flip too. Up to you. Cash. I remember when that was like 80 bucks, the 9 Dragonite. They're both super cheap.
Oh,
Back,
really?
like, yeah. It's
What
crazy.
card,
A 10 of this was like 400 bucks, and now it's like 4 grand.
Can you do a little higher because there's a swirl? Damn, I really didn't realize I gave you the swirl card.
Whatever middle point you want from 400, I can do for you.
4 to 430.
I'd like to be middle point 4, because honestly, stuff like this,
4 to 415.
I will do 380, 420.
Okay.
You want to do that? Yeah. All right. What was your name, boss?
Paul.
Paul? All right, coin flip with Paul for the Dragonite and the base set Alakazam, PSA 9s. 380, 420. All right, boss, ready? That's heads.
Okay.
That is tails.
Okay.
Call in the air.
All right.
Good luck. Sumimasen. You got it. Goated Pulls. Thank you, bro.
You want to see a card that just sold in PSA 10 for $60,000?
Hell yeah.
I have a PSA 9. This is the Japanese version, which happens to be in English on the same card stock as the first Pokemon card in history. So that's PSA 10, one sold last week for $60K. There's one listed for $75,000.
Wait, so explain this to me. So it's printed on Japanese card stock?
Yeah, so that's a Gray Star promo. So it's 1 of 54. It was on the Core magazines in Japan, and you had to peel it off the magazines.
This is a Japanese card. Do you know about this?
In English.
Japanese in English.
How much is the 9 worth?
In English. I set the market. I own 5 of them.
Can I show the camera?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
It literally says
Gray Star. You could
Japanese
the fine
promo.
card, the fine card on Instagram.
Yeah,
did a
I know
video
that.
on it.
It was printed on Japanese stock.
Glossy card stock. The text is different. and the spacing is different than the Black Star promo, which came out
That's
in
sick.
2000. So that's that, and then if you have time for one more, that's the sister card.
Japanese card.
Same set. On the magazine, Korokoro magazine, it was this
Korokoro.
and Pikachu. Korokoro.
I have no idea.
So that's 1 of 40.
Japanese promo.
Japanese card in English.
What the hell?
And this, you probably know that. That's the first playable Pokemon card in history.
You know that?
That's crazy. I don't know this shit.